Dyna Performance. I'm excited for this one because you guys know we recently did the full interior on Blucifer here, my 2013 Mustang GT, and the carbon overlay. We can actually show you that real quick. Super simple install, but yet very effective in my opinion. It eliminates a lot of that brushed aluminum look. So if Ben wants to just pan in there, you can see all the nice carbon overlay. You can see we also have the Recaros in the car. I've had these for some time. It definitely, you know, Recaros in the S197 are a must, and you guys know, absolutely hard to find without paying big money. Got this flat bottom steering wheel though. You know, it's beautiful, nice flat bottom. Got like the suede Alcantara-ish, I think it's suede. And then, you know, leather grips, little red stripe up here. Our friends over at Dyna Performance really hooked it up today. So let's go show you what's inside this box here. Super excited about this. It's just gonna fully complete our look that I'm going for with Blucifer. You can see here, got a diagram with a wire. Check this thing out. So, Dyna Performance was super, super awesome for sending me this out to review for you guys. Just take a look at this. It's gonna take your words away from you. You ready? Don't forget the blue stripe. Full carbon steering wheel, real carbon at that. This is no overlay stuff. This does have the digital display here with the shift light in there. It has a flat bottom. I got the white stitching in this because the white stitching actually is gonna match the Recaro's white stitching. You know, if it were blue stitching in the Recaro's, then I would have done it, but white stitching all around in the car. You know, that nice blue little stripe up top there. So we got the steering wheel that I got from LMR. Very nice steering wheel. Again, I do enjoy it. It's very nice. It was perfect, but...
Does it turn?
Yeah, it does turn.
Okay, cool.
Turns pretty nice. Turns right into curbs when texting and driving. Same carbon pattern. They do have a forged carbon, I believe. They offered me that, but it just, you know, again, OCD kicks in. Gotta have the same carbon pattern all around the car. So, little sneak peek. Oh my God. I'm definitely, I'm wet. On a serious note though, this steering wheel right here is top-notch quality. Huge shout out goes out to Dyna Performance for hooking this up, and this is seriously going to transform the interior tremendously. But I will say, this steering wheel is going to be showcased in another video after this video. And when that video does pop up in your subscription feed, I highly, highly, highly recommend you watch it because we have huge news dropping on this wheel specifically. This exact one. So you're not going to want to miss that, I promise. Let's go ahead, get this bad boy installed, and you know, go through that whole process because I just want to go and give you the full effect with the steering wheel and what comes with it. As you can see, we opted for the LCD screen right here, and it does have the shift lights. It'll go from green, yellow, red, obviously, and that's super cool, especially in the S197s, because you guys know these cars are pretty much bare minimum when it comes to the premium options. There's a whole diagram here. There's some videos online on how to do that. With this video in particular, I'm not going to be running the digital display or anything like that. Again, we have another video dropping very shortly with this steering wheel. That's all I'm going to say. But you know, you got your little receiver here, you got your OBD2 port connection, and you have to, you know, pin some wires from the clock spring harness, and you can just see the detail is gorgeous. Show you the back side of it. Like, that is quality right there, man. That's some thick boy stuff. Now that we got the battery disconnected, you're gonna come inside here, and you see these two caps. You're just gonna take like a little pry tool, get behind those, pop that one out, and you have another one on this side.
I'm gonna show it, dude. I'm a cameraman.
And we got both of those out. So you can set your caps to the side, and we're gonna go and grab. No cap, dude. I meant it, no cap, dude. I wanna say it's like a 7, 8, 9, 10, or 11 millimeter.
That's how Derek has his penis.
When you pull these two bolts that are located behind this, these caps, this is actually gonna hold your airbag in. That's exactly why you want to disconnect the battery, because you do not want this thing, like, you know, going off on.
Dude, if your face was that close, I think it would probably kill you.
I would definitely lose some teeth. Grab the second one. Just tug on this lightly. All right, can pry it out. You can see we got these two clips. You just want to little pinch-a-roni on the cheek there, pinch the grown inch. Now, brothers, we gotta go in this big ass bolt right here. Gotta get a little twist the root, goddamn, and then we're gonna fucking pull this thing off. Got them here we go. Well,
we're improvising.
We're down bad, is what Ben's trying to say.
We're improvising.
We don't have. I'm literally one size off for this big old bolt right here. Pretty doozy. Just like so. I can definitely
you can tighten it back.
Yeah, for sure. It is very important not to let your clock spring rotate. So this is how mine was before we start taking it off. You want to go ahead and disconnect everything.
There it is.
Wow.
So this is the carbon one. And this is the previous one.
Okay, so now start off with the old wheel. There's a little clip inside there. Let's push that down and unsnaps that. Same for this one. And you can see these actually. I don't think we have to switch out the skeleton side of things here. We just gotta put these buttons in, and that's it. Just gonna pop this bad boy in there like so. And then we're gonna go take our harness again. Snap her in. Snap her in. Dyna Performance really hooked it up though, because usually they just come with the skeleton part. We're really done here. We just reverse the installation, and that's that. We're gonna talk a little bit about these wires here. As I mentioned, this does have the LCD board on top, has the LED shift light built in as well. We're not gonna be running that, like I said. That is gonna consist of these 3 wires. So what you wanna do is just kind of tuck these away, you know, just so they don't get tangled up, which I'm gonna do before I fully install this. But yeah, those wires will be in the diagrams and everything like that. So if you ever have questions, everything will be in there as far as wiring. But we're gonna go and
you're really good at tucking.
Installed it. Remember our clock spring, we want that plug-in to be up top.
Oh baby.
Oh jeez.
Oh baby.
Okay, no luck! Nice little click action going on there. This one does have the ground underneath already. That's plugged up. You want to typically put thread lock on here. I'm just gonna tighten the living piss out of it.
Grip it like your picker.
It's a tight fucking fit. We're gonna go back to these 2 bolts. Caps back in. And boom, there we have it. That thing is freaking sick. It looks so good. Assembling the old one back together. And no, it's not for sale. And no, I'm not getting rid of it. Next video, you'll see why. Before we go for a ride in Blucifer and test out our new Dyna Performance carbon fiber steering wheel, our boy Ben over here got himself a new little toy.
Yes, sir.
What's this thing about, man?
I got a bike.
You got a bike? What kind of bike you got here?
This is a 2021 Yamaha MT-03. I've wanted to get one for a while. It's a perfect starting bike. Like, this is one that I researched, and it's like on every single like forum about starting bikes and everything like that. So the dealership had one. This was the last one they had. I went a couple months earlier and they had like 3 or 2 left, and I went back. This is the only one left they had. So yeah, little zip around thing.
I don't know what to do, man. I don't know what to do. Like, I want one really bad.
No, I'm telling you, dude, it looks good.
So is this the new thing to maybe DerekBaranProductions, a street bike at some point? What do you guys think, man?
I think you could rock it.
I could definitely get behind this.
Dude, it looks good on you. I ain't gonna lie.
Black too. It's not blue, but you know I'm a fan of my black. But
It does look good on him. I will say, he has a dirt bike that he said he wanted to put street tires on. I don't think that's a good idea. I think he should actually get like a real street bike. He wants like a cruiser or something like that, something a little different than a street bike. But I mean, I think he could get either one. I mean, I do know they're, you know, the risks with him and everything, but he knows it too, so he'll be good with it. Oh shit. There you go.
it's fun, dude.
Yeah.
Ah! She's gonna kill me, dude. Romina, I'm sorry. She's gonna freaking kill me. This is such a blast. I got a dirt bike. I got 250.
I told him you had a dirt bike that you want to put street tires.
I got 252 stroke, but I don't have
You never ridden a street bike, huh?
Oh, wrong way. Sorry.
Yeah.
I've never had a street bike. There's many reasons why I haven't. I'm not gonna list them. It's one of those things, man. It's like you can have so much fun on these if you're responsible. You know, it's just like no matter how responsible you are, though. So unfortunately,
The other people.
Yeah, unfortunately, there's just other people on the road that aren't as focused, or yeah, they don't really care, man. And it's the one thing about it, like you definitely live free on these things, and it's probably the best kind of cruising. Like just going around there, I could just imagine like you and your homeboys just like romping around on bikes and shit. But it's just like, if you look at that thing, and that's the lighter of the vehicles on the road, like you get creamed on. It's just one of those things. Scares me. I like it. I might have to go do some looking and, you know, see what they got out there. And why am I parking it in the road? Let's
yeah, we put it in the garage. Yeah, you good. Down. Yeah.
So sick, dude.
Oh, they look good together.
Don't tempt me, bro.
Usually right there. I was just gonna say pull it straight in.
Oh, you're good. Gotcha.
Look at that.
If I have the car in here too, like I've already been plotting, trust me, like how I'm gonna squeeze it through. Like I think it's definitely doable. What I'll have to do though is maybe move that desk out of here completely and put the toolbox over there. And then like, cause if you look, I have this indentation in the wall.
Yeah.
And then put the bike right here.
Yeah.
And then pull the car up as far as possible.
That would work,
and then I can get it in and out.
What about the other garage?
Same concept, the vet. The other garage would work too, actually. Yeah. But you know, I want all my toys in one area.
That's true, yeah.
I mean, it's a great starter bike. You know, 300cc, it's plenty to learn on and start on. You don't need a f***ing 1000 and kill yourself, you know. What do you say, Ben? Should we go for a ride in Blucifer?
I think we should.
Test.
Make sure it's straight.
See how she do. First initial thoughts. Definitely high quality stuff here. I love like the Alcantara, suede, whatever it is, right in here. And a lot of carbon, but I typically hold the wheel like this, so it works, or I hold it like this. So it's kind of perfect for me. It's so obnoxious, dude.
Dude, it is.
Steering wheel's freaking obnoxious.
Feel good?
Let me put it on the track mode just to see how it feels.
Wait, you can do that?
Yeah.
Wait, hold up, what?
Track steering.
You can do that in these ones?
Yeah, sport mode.
No way.
Oh yeah, that feels good. Even though I'm on a drag radial in the rear and it's really floaty feeling, it still feels really good though. Fits nicely in the hands, which I do like a lot. Hey guys, Derek here, back again at the gas station.
A 350. Are you gonna race him?
Dude, no, I'm pissed. That's just like a f***ing taunt. They know I want one. Maybe I should go ask him if he wants a straight trade, you know?
Dude, that looks so good.
It does. That thing's sick. I'm jealous as f***. You know, the steering wheel feels really good and all. You know, turning, driving in a straight line, things like that. I feel like we really have to test it though.
Oh my god. My hand is not going to be stable.
We can snatch third gear now. That was
Yeah. I don't really know what that has to do with the steering wheel, but...
Yeah, I mean, you just got to make sure that that grip's there, you know?
Yeah. Dude, my hand went like this and then came forwards. Dude, it's going to be so
That thing
bad.
cooked.
Yeah, dude.
I think it's safe to say the steering wheel is definitely a major upgrade in many different ways. Made the car faster, made the car lighter. It made it more comfortable. So I mean, if you're trying to achieve all those things, Dyna Performance, carbon steering wheel, all of this stuff is going to be linked into the description. And honestly, guys, look at this interior right now. Like, Ben, do a little... It looks so much better than factory. It really does. You got the DynaVin touchscreen, Dyna Performance carbon fiber overlay on everything, and now this bad boy to really tie everything together. Like, my interior is pretty much done. There's a couple more pieces I want to get. There's like this carbon, there's this carbon, and some other little trim, but that's it, man. It's really gone 0 to 100 real quick. So shout out to Dyna Performance for making this possible, and I love it. I definitely think it's one of the best out there. I think this is pretty much all you can really do. Maybe like a harness bar in Grabber Blue with Grabber Blue harnesses. That would be sick. I just want to go and thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed and you like the new addition to Blucifer, do your boy a favor, drop a like up on this video. All the likes, all the comments, even if you're saying hello, truly help my videos get ranked higher. Turn on post notifications, and if you already had them on and you're not getting my notifications, return them on, unclick the bell.
What are you doing?
I know, dude, tell them, like, the notifications suck on this thing.
Yeah, I mean, what else are you doing?
All right, Ben, close it out, do it.
Oh, shit, what was it again? But until next time, see you later.
No, you did it wrong.
What are you talking? Wait.
You got a hat on. You got a hat on today.
What are you talking about? Oh, you're right. But until next time, see you later.